I am here standing on the shoulders of generations of Americans who never had anything close to this kind of opportunity.
The 1619 Project is closely intertwined with a movement that is called critical race theory. Critical race theory, as you know, originated at your and my alma mater at the Harvard Law School. In your understanding, what does critical race theory mean? What is it?
Senator, my understanding is that critical race theory is it is an academic theory that is about the ways in which race interacts with various institutions. It doesn't come up in my work as a judge. It's never something that I've studied or relied on, and it wouldn't be something that I would rely on if I was on the Supreme Court.
Another book that is on the summer reading for 3rd through 5th grade is a book called Stamp for Kids, again by Ibram Kendi. I read the entirety of the book, and I will say it is an astonishing book. On page 33, it asks the question, can we send white people back to Europe?
Senator, I have not reviewed any of those books, any of those ideas. They don't come up in my work as a judge, which I'm respectfully here to address. In my work as a judge, which is evidenced from my near decade on the bench.
I've heard references to the 1619 Project and critical race theory, but I didn't hear that cited in any reference to your opinions as a judge. In your 9 years on the bench as a district court judge, more than 570 decisions, have you ever cited the 1619 Project?
No, Senator.
In your 9 years on the bench and more than 570 opinions, have you ever cited the journalist or principal author of that 1619 Project, Ms. Hannah Jones?
I have not.
And in your 9 years on the bench and more than 570 decisions, have you ever used, employed, relied upon critical race theory to determine the outcome of any case or to impose any sentence or as a framework for your decision making?
No, Senator.
Could you fairly judge a Catholic?
Senator, I have a record of
I think
fairly
the answer would be yes.
judging everyone.
I believe you can. I'm just asking this question because how important is your faith to you?
I am reluctant to talk about my faith in this way just because I want to be mindful of the need for the public to have confidence in my ability to separate out my personal views.
And the first argument you made was that the federal guidelines that punished child porn offenders, the ones that Congress wrote, were, and I'm quoting you now, are in many ways outdated.
What a judge has to do is determine how to sentence defendants proportionately consistent with the elements that the statutes include, with the requirements that Congress has set forward.
Congress doesn't have clean hands in this conversation. We haven't touched this now for 15, 16, or 17 years.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.